Small hanger box for Cole. This is Don Ross Elite. That's odd they don't have a year on it.
I think it's 16.
2016?
I think it is. Should be on the back, maybe.
2016 Don Ross Elite. Okay. Ken knows his product. All right, so this time I'm pretty sure you can open this differently. It like opens up or something. Nope, too smart for me. Oh, this is the one with the little pad. Let's see. Just tear the box apart. All right.
Good luck.
All right, Cole, good luck. The Watt 101. I thought this guy was going to be a lot better than he was. Brandon Cooks, Rivers, Macklin Hopkins, Romo, Edelman, Lynch, Franco Harris, Chris Ivory, Breeze, Hyde. All right, here we go. We're getting to the good stuff. Your etched in time for the Redskins, Joe Theismann. Your master craftsman for the Cowboys, Emmitt Smith. And your hit dual patch elite coverage for the Cardinals, David Johnson. Looks blue. Is that numbered? Not numbered. Kevin Taylor on the rookie, green. Darren Lee. And Emmitt Smith on the green. Thanks, Cole.